Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming where you watch Netflix and which app or browser you use. This matters because Zoom controls differ by platform. Once done, open the Netflix player and pause. First actionable step, check your device's accessibility or display zoom. On Windows, use magnifier. On Mac OS, use zoom. On mobile, use system accessibility pinch to zoom options. Make sure to test on a short clip so you can adjust without losing place in the show. Now you fine-tune the middle steps. If you're in a browser, use the browser zoom controls, Control or CMD++ or minus, then toggle full screen so the player scales properly. This prevents black bars. Once done, if you're on a smart TV or external display, open picture settings and adjust aspect ratio or disable overscan to get 1:1 pixel mapping. For app users, change in-app display and subtitle sizes to keep text readable after zooming, and then play to verify alignment. You finish by confirming playback looks right and audio stays synced. If everything aligns, resume your show. If the image is cropped or edges cut off, revisit aspect and overscan controls and try toggling full screen versus windowed mode. These changes correct mismatch scaling. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the app or device when Zoom causes stuttering or desync. This clears temporary buffers and forces the player to reinitialize scaling, which often fixes stubborn visual glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.